Okay, here is our new tile from the entryway. Our refrigerator is still in the living room, however, that's okay. We're getting there. So, here we go. Okay, we're walking in, la la la. Oh, look at all this tile. Oh, wow, hi. Oh, see, to the garage, and then into the bathroom. Still don't have a toilet or a sink. And laundry room. Look, ooh, pretty. Should have done this 4 years ago. Okay, here we go. Into the kitchen. Refrigerator still not in. That's okay. Look at, ooh, pretty. Okay. Oh, and look. There's Owen. Hi, Owen. And there's Daddy. And they're eating breakfast. China cabinet's gone.
That's a U.
Sorry, Brenda.
This is an S, and this is a T.
Here we go. Carpet's still there, needs to be tightened.
V is in very clean.
No more pee-pee carpet. Owen, can you say good morning? Can you tell everybody a word? Huh?
Let's see if we can find something. What's this? House. That's right. What's this? Baby. That's right.
Hi, buddy. Are you tired? Can you say wheel? What is that?
Wheel.
Very good. Can you say hi, everybody? You eat more eggs? Num num. Okay. Love you. Showing everyone the tile. Okay. All right, everybody. You get the idea now. Okay, everyone. Say bye.
Bye.